So this is the largest bag that we have, and from the outside it's quite solid. There's all this padding. Yeah, this is like a place where you slot through. You can slot through cable here. There's some sort of lock here. You can see. This one is like padding pouch kind of thing. Interesting. So let's start from the outside. So here you can put like a laptop or something like that. Then other stuff lah. I think this is designed mainly as a camera laptop kind of bag. Then here you open. So why they put it behind is because supposedly it helps prevent you from being pickpocketed, because it's really like when you're having it behind you, then you can't open it when you're having it on your back lah. So it's sort of like safe that way. So these are all the compartments. So or you can change it as you want. And here there's a pouch. There's a detachable pouch for your raincoat, or you can put other things inside them. Yeah, it's pretty big. Pretty cool. Okay, thanks. That's it.